Northern Nevada's high desert region is a truly unique and beautiful natural landscape, which we're lucky to call home. Yet in the urban core, this desert expands beyond the natural environment, into the homes and lives of its most vulnerable residents. Hunger and lack of access to healthy, wholesome foods has created food deserts in many areas, forcing low-income residents to rely on overpriced and unhealthy food. Food deserts affect many of our local inhabitants, especially children, seniors, and the disabled. Recent studies prove that more than 1 in 5 Washoe County children and more than 1 in 5 UNR students do not know from where they will find their next meal. Northern Nevada's elderly population, with limited mobility, transportation, and income, also has an extremely difficult time acquiring and preparing nutritious, healthy foods. Residents in more than 7 of the 10 Washoe zip codes do not have adequate access to healthy food options, forcing many low-income families to spend extra time and resources just to meet basic needs. Access to fresh and wholesome foods is almost non-existent, particularly in downtown Reno, forcing residents into unhealthy food choices including fast food chains, convenience stores, and vending machines. These foods often contain excessive amounts of sugar, fat, and sodium, which directly contribute to common and costly health issues including heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and obesity. The Center for Disease Control estimates that 86% of all healthcare costs in the United States are due to diet-related chronic diseases. While these numbers are staggeringly high and seemingly insurmountable, solutions do exist. Attempting to eradicate this growing epidemic, some organizations around the United States have developed nonprofit retail grocery models for low-income areas. Inspired by these models, we created On Common Ground, a Northern Nevada 501c3 nonprofit working to reduce barriers to food access. In partnership with local businesses, residents, and community leaders, On Common Ground is working to implement a commodity grocery store and community center with a focus on providing access to wholesome, nutritious food available to all Washoe County residents. On Common Ground will provide consistent access to basic food staples, seasonal fresh and local produce, plus nutrition, cooking, and fitness education. To do this, we need your help. Join our movement to end hunger in Northern Nevada. Visit our website at ocgreno.org and social media platforms at ocgreno. Together, we will build a longer table for everyone.